I might be about to waste thousands on my car. My car has been making a weird noise lately, so now I'm trying to figure out if this is a quick fix or something way more complicated. Then, the big decision. Is it worth repairing, or should I consider getting a new car altogether? So today, I'm going to show you how Copilot can help you think through that decision and figure out what actually makes the most sense. The first thing I want to do is get a better idea of what could be going on with my car. I don't need the full diagnosis, but a rough idea of what this could be and what it might cost to fix would be helpful so I can start thinking ahead. I'm going to open the Copilot app and type a prompt with what's been going on. The more details I can share, the more accurate the response will likely be. My check engine light is going on, and my car keeps making a weird knocking sound and feels off when I'm driving. What could be causing this, and how much does it typically cost to fix? In seconds, Copilot responds with a few possible causes like internal engine issues, as well as some repair estimate ranges based on what I'm experiencing. I now have a few rough ideas of what I might actually be dealing with. Looking at this list of potential issues, there's a real possibility that this might not be a quick fix at all. This could be something serious that ends up costing me thousands. If that's the case, I want to weigh my options. At what point does it make sense to repair the car or just sell it and start new? Copilot can help me explore scenarios so I'm informed. Let's ask, if a repair cost ends up being $2,000 to $4,000, is it best to repair my current car, lease something new, or buy a new used car? I drive about 8,000 miles a year and want to keep my monthly costs reasonable. Copilot breaks down each option for me, providing cost estimates, risk levels, and pros and cons for each situation, which is super helpful. Now I can actually compare fixing versus replacing side by side. Since this is a big decision, I want to make sure I'm thinking through everything. I'm going to ask Copilot, what other factors should I consider before deciding whether to repair, lease, or buy a new car? And what would be a smart next step based on this situation? Copilot outlines a few key things to consider as I make this decision, like reliability of my current car, my personal risk tolerance, insurance implications, and more. It also suggests some smart next steps I should take as I move forward. At this point, I have a much clearer picture of what I'm actually deciding between and the long-term effects. So now I'm thinking about it like this. If the cost is under $2,000, I'll probably just repair. But if it's closer to $4,000, it's time to start looking at other options. Having to decide what to do about my car felt really stressful at first, but using Copilot to break down my options and map out next steps made it a lot easier to tackle. Follow along for more ways Copilot can help you think through real decisions.